Hello folks, and welcome back to the channel. I just want to get on a moment and say that I'm sorry I didn't been off for about a week. Been sick, a little under the weather. I haven't had the COVID or anything, but boy, I tell you, I haven't really felt well at all. So apologize for missing my normally weekly video I put on, but thought I would just take a moment and just thank everybody for the subscribers, all the comments, and man, y'all are just kind to me. I tell you, with your great comments and everything, and you know, it's just a privilege and an honor, I guess you could say, to be able to make these little videos that shoot, I don't even know what I'm doing, but it's just a honor and joy, I guess, to make these and bring them to you. But you know, we have just been, like I say, under the weather and not really felt like being in the train room. I know that's unbelievable. My wife told him over at church that yeah, she said he's not even been out in his train room, and then that's when we know that he's really sick, and that's so true. But anyway, folks, you know, I am feeling better, getting much better now. And I just wanted to show you all a few of these vehicles that we collected or got a few days ago, weeks ago, whatever. Put them, there's a garbage truck, and we got some of these cattle trucks here, these 18-wheelers, and there's another one coming through the curve there. You know, just starting to pick up some few things like this. And over there by the power company, you'll see the bucket truck there. You know, we're starting to get a few of these things in. We're going to start working on our layout again. You know, trying to get some of the detail work done. You know, there's a lot to do. I'd like to put some traffic lights in town and put some people and all that kind of good stuff in there yet. We'll be working on that though here shortly. We'll bring you some videos of that as much as we can anyway. But yeah, I just thought that I'd just jump on, let y'all know what was going on with me, and let you know I was, you know, the reason that I didn't post any new video this week. So y'all forgive me for that, and we'll try to make it up to you, okay? Just kidding. But I say to you folks like this, you know, it's just a great joy for me really to share the train with you all out there. Folks, if you like the channel, please subscribe and, you know, hit the like button, drop the comments. You know, we're growing the channel. I think we're up to 77 subscribers now. And I tell you, that I think that's most awesome. You know, I mean, you know, been on, I don't know, a little over a month now or whatever it's been. I'm not real sure how long it's been. Time flies when you're having fun, right? But nevertheless, I'm just grateful for each and every subscriber and for all those comments that I've been getting. I try to answer all of them back, and if I've missed you, I'm sorry, but you know, I try to answer each and every one. So folks, I hope y'all having a wonderful day out there today, and we're going to turn the lights down and watch the trains run for a little while, and hope you enjoy.